Achieving salon-quality nails at home or in a professional setting requires the right tools. Nail drill machines have become indispensable for both manicures and pedicures, offering precision and efficiency in nail care. In this video, we'll review the best nail drill machines of 2024, each offering unique features and capabilities to enhance your nail care routine. Whether you're a professional technician or a DIY enthusiast, these top picks will help you achieve flawless results. Let's dive into our top 7 choices. Number 1. Subay Professional Nail Drill Machine Pink Manicure and Pedicure Kit. Starting off, the Subay Professional Nail Drill Machine in pink is a comprehensive kit designed for both manicure and pedicure needs. This machine stands out for its stylish appearance and functionality. It features a compact, ergonomic design that makes it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver, whether you're working on fingernails or toenails. The Subay drill machine comes with a range of attachments, including various sanding bands and drill bits, allowing you to perform detailed nail work with precision. The variable speed control ensures that you can adjust the RPM according to your needs, whether you're shaping, buffing, or filing. Its high-performance motor provides consistent power and efficiency, ensuring smooth operation and excellent results. Durability is another strong suit of the Subay drill. Made with quality materials, it's designed to withstand frequent use without compromising performance. Overall, this kit offers an excellent balance of style, functionality, and reliability, making it a great choice for anyone looking to elevate their nail care routine.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. JIASHENG 20,000 RPM Nail Drill Machine Electric File for acrylic and gel nails. Next, we have the JIASHENG 20,000 RPM Nail Drill Machine, a versatile tool ideal for both acrylic and gel nails. This machine is known for its robust performance and user-friendly design. With a maximum speed of 20,000 RPM, it delivers powerful and precise drilling, making it perfect for professionals who need efficiency and accuracy. The JIASHENG drill features a sleek, lightweight design that enhances maneuverability, allowing for comfortable use during extended sessions. Its ergonomic handpiece is designed to reduce hand fatigue, which is essential for long hours of nail work. The machine includes multiple drill bits and sanding bands, catering to various nail care needs from shaping to smoothing. Additionally, the JIASHENG drill machine's adjustable speed control offers flexibility, enabling you to customize the RPM according to the task at hand. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, and its easy-to-clean design helps maintain hygiene standards. For those seeking a reliable and efficient nail drill, the JIASHENG model is a top contender. Number 3. Pink Bling Nail Drill Machine Lavender 35,000 RPM Electric File and UV Lamp. The Pink Bling Nail Drill Machine by Lavender combines functionality with a touch of glamour. This high-performance device features an impressive 35,000 RPM speed, making it one of the most powerful nail drills on the market. It is designed to handle both acrylic and gel nails with ease, providing smooth and precise results. One of the standout features of this machine is its integrated UV lamp, which allows for convenient curing of gel nails. The dual functionality of this device means you can complete your entire nail care routine with one tool, saving both time and space. The Pink Bling drill machine is equipped with a range of drill bits and sanding bands to cater to various nail treatments. The ergonomic design of the handpiece ensures comfort and ease of use, while the machine's sleek pink finish adds a touch of style to your nail care setup. Its robust construction and high-speed capabilities make it suitable for both professional and home use. If you're looking for a nail drill that combines power with versatility, this model is an excellent choice. Number 4. Portable 20,000 RPM Nail Drill Machine USB Electric File for Gel and Acrylic Nails. Our fourth pick is the portable 20,000 RPM nail drill machine, known for its compact and convenient design. This USB-powered drill is perfect for those who need a portable solution for nail care. Its maximum speed of 20,000 RPM ensures effective performance for both gel and acrylic nails. The portable design of this drill machine makes it easy to use anywhere, whether at home or on the go. The USB connection allows for versatile power options, and the machine is compatible with various USB adapters, making it highly adaptable to different environments. The handpiece is lightweight and comfortable to hold, reducing hand strain during use. The drill comes with an assortment of bits and sanding bands, providing everything you need for a complete nail care routine. Its efficient and quiet motor delivers consistent results, while the durable construction ensures long-term reliability. For those seeking a portable and versatile nail drill, this model offers both convenience and performance. Number 5. Delany 35,000 RPM Nail Drill Machine Rechargeable Pink Electric Nail File. The Delany 35,000 RPM nail drill machine is a top choice for professionals seeking a high-speed, rechargeable nail drill. With a powerful 35,000 RPM motor, this drill provides exceptional performance for various nail treatments, from filing and shaping to buffing and smoothing. This rechargeable model offers the convenience of cordless operation, allowing for greater freedom of movement and ease of use. The ergonomic design of the handpiece ensures comfort during extended sessions, while the stylish pink finish adds a touch of elegance to your nail care setup. The Delany nail drill machine includes a range of drill bits and sanding bands, catering to different nail care needs. Its long-lasting battery and quick recharge time ensure that you're never left without power. The drill's durable construction and high-speed capabilities make it suitable for both professional and at-home use. For a reliable, high-performance nail drill, the Delany model stands out as an excellent option. Number 6. 30,000 RPM Portable Nail Drill Machine Rechargeable Electric File with Speed Display. The 30,000 RPM Portable Nail Drill Machine offers a blend of power and precision in a compact, rechargeable design. With a maximum speed of 30,000 RPM, this drill provides the performance needed for professional quality nail care. The built-in speed display allows you to easily monitor and adjust the RPM, ensuring accurate control during use. This portable nail drill is designed for convenience and ease of use. Its rechargeable battery eliminates the need for constant cord connections, providing freedom of movement and flexibility. The handpiece is ergonomically designed for comfort, making it suitable for long sessions without causing hand fatigue. The machine comes with an assortment of drill bits and sanding bands, making it versatile enough to handle a variety of nail treatments. Its durable construction ensures long-term use, while the speed display feature enhances precision and control. For those seeking a powerful and user-friendly nail drill, this model offers both functionality and convenience. Number 7. Manicure Nail Drill Machine Electric E-File with Nail Bits for Acrylic and Gel. Last but not least, the Manicure Nail Drill Machine is a versatile tool designed for both acrylic and gel nails. This electric e-file features a powerful motor that delivers consistent performance for various nail care tasks. The machine comes equipped with a comprehensive set of nail bits, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The Manicure nail drill is known for its ergonomic design, which ensures comfortable handling and ease of use. The machine's variable speed control allows you to adjust the RPM according to your needs, providing flexibility for different nail treatments. The drill bits included in the kit are high quality and designed for durability, ensuring long-lasting performance. The machine's robust construction and reliable motor make it a great choice for both professionals and home users. Its versatility and efficiency make it an excellent addition to any nail care setup. If you're looking for a dependable and feature-rich nail drill, The Manicure model delivers exceptional results. Choosing the right nail drill machine can elevate your nail care routine, whether you're a professional technician or someone who loves DIY manicures and pedicures. Each of these top picks for 2024 offers unique features and benefits tailored to different needs and preferences. Find the nail drill that best suits your requirements and experience salon-quality results at home. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product insights and tips. Here's to achieving perfect nails every time.